Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Thai red curry. This recipe you will need chicken tenders or chicken breasts, 1 to 2 bell peppers, red curry paste, coconut milk, sugar, oil, 1 cup of water, and some fish sauce. Begin by washing your produce and then cutting it in half, making sure to de-seed it. Then you are going to thinly slice the bell peppers. Do the same to the green ones. You can use half of the bell peppers if a whole one is too much. Make sure that your chicken is washed and pat dry it, and then you are going to cube your chicken. Next, get a small pot and you are going to put 3 tablespoons of the red curry paste into the pot, and then go ahead and add some oil. Stir for about 30 seconds until combined, and then you will add half of a can of coconut milk, and then go ahead and mix to combine. Then you will add in all of your chicken and cook for about 5 minutes or until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Next, add in the cup of water and about 4 teaspoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Stir to combine and then add in the rest of the coconut milk. Then you will add in all of the bell peppers and then stir again. Place the lid on the pot and cook for about 3 minutes or until boiled. Give it a nice stir and then you are finished. Go ahead and place in a bowl and serve with a side of white rice. Enjoy!